Introducing the Fullwin FW20H, our latest excavator, designed to impress with its high-end configuration. Experience powerful performance with standard features like boom swing, a retractable undercarriage, and a hydraulic sensing plunger pump. These ensure nimble and efficient operation in your daily tasks. For enhanced stability and comfort, the FW20H comes equipped with additional cast iron counterweights and short pitch tracks. Plus, its versatility shines through its ability to pair with various attachments, adapting seamlessly to diverse job site needs. Fullwin, always your trusted partner.